Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I apologize for the video quality. This will be getting rectified very soon. I will be getting new cameras, crystal clear pictures, so you can see every perfect part of my face. Just kidding. But anyway, guys, the market, pre-market is going insane. We ran the pre-market scanner, and I want to show you live while the scanner is working what stocks are blowing up. So here, let me share my screen with you guys. All right, so the first one is GTEC. Look at this move from 775 to 2650 in not even an hour. Absolutely mind-boggling. So how did we find this stock? We found this stock by going here to scan, and I'll link actually in the description for you guys to make it easier how to find stocks that every day trader is looking at, stocks that you guys can profit off of. So I have in my saved scanners, these are my scanners that I made myself, okay? The momentum scanner is the scanner that Warrior Trading uses, Trade Ideas. It has every high of day momentum scanner. I will also link that in the description. I made a video on how you can make it on yours too, as long as you have Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. So now all I do is I come over here and I click on my pre-market scan and I click scan. This is how I set up my scanner. You can do that too by just clicking this customize gear right here, and then it'll come up. So all I do is I look at stocks with the most volume, okay? Right here, AVGR has 13 million shares already being traded. This is live, guys, 7:25 in the morning. I've had like 4 cups of coffee already. So that's why I'm pumping this video out right now. So I guess GTEC went over our $20. By the way, it started at $7. So this thing hit our scanner. I like to keep it under 20 because that's stocks that I trade, but you guys can do 30 if you want, or whatever you want. Click scan, and here's GTEC because it blew through our 20 max. This is the leading gapper in the entire market. Right here, this stock right here is now, it's almost $25 from 7. Unbelievable move. But this is how you guys can do it. Copy this scanner. It's so simple. This is the simplest scanner to copy. So then I attach it to my watch lists, which I think is really smart. That way you can just click on the stock and it'll populate your, you know, the trade, active trader, or whatever you guys use to trade, but I use active trader. So this is GTEC right now. This move, I mean, I had FOMO like you wouldn't believe, but I just refuse to buy something with crazy, I mean, it was getting away from you. So one thing I noticed, and this is why it's very important to have time and sales up here. Look at all of these 1, 5, 8, 35, 10, 15, 5, 8. There's a lot of partial fills going on because the spread is so crazy. It's taking an order here, taking an order here, taking an order here. That's also why I did not want to jump in, because I thought that you're going to get like 2 shares filled at this price, and then it's going to go down, and you'll get shares filled here, and then it's going to go up, and then it's going to fill, you know, a majority of your shares high, and then it's going to drop. And I can't get involved in a stock that's moving like this with, look at this, look at these fills that are going on. everybody that's trading this stock right now, you think they're making a ton of money? They're not. They're getting filled all over the place. Partial fills everywhere because it's pre-market. So be very careful when trading a stock like this. Have time and sales up here. Maybe I'll make a video on how I set up my Thinkorswim. If you guys want me to do that, leave it down in the comments section. So these are the other stocks that are the leading gappers in the market. We could take a look at some other ones while I have you guys here. This one, I was actually watching for myself to make a trade on. It was looking really good pre-market, you know, from 4 a.m. I mean, it had a nice move. And then look at this one candle here at 7 a.m., which is usually when a lot of buyers will come in. A lot of platforms allow people to buy at 7 o'clock in the morning. This thing dropped from $7.25 to $2.70 in 10 seconds, which God bless you, which it took up a lot of, I mean, that ruined the stock. This right here ruined the stock for the morning, this one bar. If this just went the other way and didn't have a lot of sell orders, this would have been the stock that a lot of people would have been watching. And it has the most amount of volume also at 14 million. But right now, everybody's watching GTEC. And to be honest, they're all getting partial fills. So for me, I'm staying away from that stock. I don't care that it went up that much because they're all getting partial fills. They're not making any money off of that stock. While it looks insane, they're just not getting full orders. So who knows where you're getting filled at? And it's just very stressful to trade something like that. So my experience tells me to stay out of that for the time being until it settles down, because eventually it will settle down a little bit. And then you can look at a spot to get into, get a full fill, and then take a nice little scalp. Until that happens, I won't be looking at that. So anyway, guys, scanners are the absolute most important thing in day trading. This is the pre-market. We run it every morning, and it gives us the stocks that are hot, the stocks that every other day trader are looking at. And the high of day momentum scanner is the one that you're going to run at market open, and it's good for the whole trading day. And every stock that comes up on that are the ones that are coming up on Warrior Trading, Trade Ideas, and we do it for free. Just put in my information. All right. So hope that you guys enjoy the day. I hope that you guys have a great trading day, and maybe I'll see you guys later with another video. Until then, take care, everyone.